Did you enjoy your stay with us?
Yes, very much so. However, I now need to get to the airport. I have a flight that leaves in about 2 hours. So what is the quickest way to get there?
We do have free airport shuttle service.
That sounds great. But will it get me to the airport on time?
Yes, it should. The next shuttle leaves in 15 minutes and it takes approximately 25 minutes to get the airport.
Fantastic. I'll just wait in the lunch area. Will you please let me know when it will be leaving?
Of course, sir. Oh, before you go, would you like to able to the shuttle the minibar bill?
Oh yes, certainly. How much will that be?
Let's see. The bill comes to $37. How would you like to pay for that?
I'll pay with my Visa, thanks. But I'll need a receipt so I can change it to my company.
Would you like to sign the hotel guest book to while you wait?
Sure, I had a really good stay here and I'll tell other people to come here.
That's good to hear. Thank you again for staying at City HM Hotel.